Hello friends, I am Kuldeep Pukade. In last lecture we covered milling methods. Today we are going to discuss about milling operations. Milling operations means what type of material can be removed from the workpiece. There are different operations can be performed on milling machine. These are plane milling operation, side milling, angle milling, metal slitting, end milling, T-slotting, form milling, keyway milling, profile machining, rimming, gear cutting. These are the operations can be performed on milling machine. In this figure, there are shown different type of operations performed on milling machine. As figure A, B, C, D, E, F. Now we will see one by one. In figure A, it is a plane milling operation. Upper portion is a cutter of the milling machine. Bottom block is known as a workpiece. In plane milling operation, a production of plane horizontal surface which is parallel to the axis of cutter. This operation is called as slab milling and cutter is called as slab milling cutter, which is shown in figure A. On workpiece, plane or horizontal surface manufacturing time, this plane milling operation can be performed on workpiece. At that time, cutter is mounted on horizontal arbor. Now, a second operation in B figure shows that face milling. The face milling operation is performed by cutter keeping at perpendicular to the workpiece surface, which is shown in figure B. The cutter is kept perpendicular to the workpiece surface. The cutter can be mounted on arbor of vertical spindle of milling machine. Next operation is the side milling. In figure C, it is clearly shown that the side milling operation. It is an operation of production of flat vertical surface on the side of the workpiece by side milling cutter. In figure C, here is a workpiece and these two are cutters are mounted on the arbor. These two cutters are removed the material on the side of the workpiece. And these two cutters are mounted on the horizontal arbor as shown in figure C. The next operation is the angular milling. See in figure D, it is shown that the angular milling operation. The angular milling is operation of production of angular surface. Bottom side of this figure is shown that the exact operation of the angular surface. The angular cutter may be single or double angle. For example, production of V block This V type of blocks, V-shaped angle can be performed by using this angular milling machine operation. Next operation is a gang milling operation. Gang milling is shown in figure E. In this operation of machining several surfaces of the workpiece at the same time. For this, number of cutters of same or different diameter are mounted on arbor, and each cutter removes material simultaneously. Here in gang milling in figure E is shown that different surface of the workpiece can be machined on by using gang milling cutters. On gang milling means number of cutters are mounted on arbor. It may be same diameter cutters are there, or it may be different diameters cutters are there. Next operation is form milling. It is operation of production of irregular shape using form cutter. The irregular shape may be convex, concave or other. In last figure, figure F, it is shown that a form